Alright, off to the next planet. What an asshole of a guy. He just chops down the environment and builds a desert. Gotta love the people we work for.
Hey, there's Mr. Fizzwidget. What happened?
Everything's fine. There was just a bit of debris on the landing pad.
That was our ship.
Don't worry about it, little fella. It's insured. So, do you have the, delivery? Terrifulous! Come, gentlemen. There is precious little time. Just sit back and relax, boys. How about a little flying music?
He did that on purpose.
Nah, he's just easily distracted.
Yeah, well.
Come on, let's see if we can find a way out of here.
Fitzwidget, you son of a bitch. I'm coming for you. I didn't mean to buy that, but okay. We bought it. Bought the pulse rifle. Alright, I don't think I need to use any gadgets here, so we're gonna actually fix the quick select again. I'll keep that on there, but we'll go ahead and put the pulse rifle on there. And we'll continue to use the seeker gun for a little while, so we can hopefully get that leveled up soon. There we go. Updated version of this one is a much better weapon. I still don't really like using it. It's one of those weapons that I like to use when, you know, I don't really have any other choice, or, you know, I've already used my blitz cannon and I'm maxed out on all my other ones, so then I'll start popping this one out just because you burn through ammo so fast. Here's a good way to level it up, though. Alright, well, that worked. Bubble there. Actually, instead of just leveling up 1 or level up 2, 3, I believe up to 4 at some point. Get out of here. Boom! Let's do... should we throw turrets down? Turret glove is OP. It allows you pretty much just to run around and do this, as it kills everything. I love doing these, like all the boss fights in this game. I love just doing this first for a little while, letting them just massacre everything for a little bit, and then running away. Because look at this. Yeah, they don't stay around for very long. Like, those will disappear in just a little bit. But man, they do some damage. Well, not to mention, and you run out of them like super fast. But the upgraded version, awesome. Get on up there. Oh, really? Let's try out the pulse rifle. Alright, controls, a little awkward. You only get one analog stick. This is before the 2 analog stick method. So, bam!
It says, in case of emergency, break glass with wrench. Hold on. This one says, use rock to break glass to get wrench to break glass to get rock. Ooh, I love logic puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with the...
Solved it.
Alright, upgraded wrench. I forgot they have upgraded wrenches in this game. I thought that happened in the next one. Yes, sir. Alright, ooh, we got new weapons we get to. The lava gun is fun. Bouncer, yeah, that one's awesome. Ways to go though. Need to get some more bolts. Use a pulse rifle for a little bit. Boom. It doesn't take much to level these up, so the pulse rifle especially, just because there's so few bullets with it, you can really just level it up super quick. Just take it, use the 8 bullets it has, and then kill a few guys, and then just pop out of it. It's not like the Secret, which is taking forever. We're about 2/3 of the way through it. Alright, what else is out of ammo? Alright, mini turret. Oh, don't fall off. Boom! Kill them all! Such satisfaction. I love when things die and I don't have to do anything to have them die. Oh god. Perfect! I thought that worked out brilliantly. Oh boy. Don't fall in the lava. Okay. We're good.
Hand over the experiment now.
I can't do that.
You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! He's a she.
This changes nothing. Where's the experiment?
We have returned it to Mr. Fizzwidget.
Oh, you've just put the whole galaxy in imminent danger.
But
I don't have time to stand around explaining it to you. If you have any intention of fixing the mess you've made, watch this.
Oh no! Good thing that wasn't little Susie. Here at the Megacorp testing facility, we make sure the products you buy are safe for you and your family. These are just a few of the products we've rejected to help keep you safe. The Tiny Tot Slingshot, the Nuclear Mousetrap, Self-Wedgifying Underwear, and the Lawn Ninjas. So the next time your toaster doesn't explode in your face, say a little thank you to the Megacorp testing facility.
wow, she's got a few bolts loose. What does a testing facility have to do with galactic danger?
I am unsure. However, I believe we should investigate that location.
Well, we're gonna need a new ship.
Gotta love it. The thief was actually not a thief. Come on, let's be honest. Let's just saw that coming. Hey, look, I'm in a city.
Hello, sir?
Hey, that's my ship!
Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos?
No. That's definitely mine.
This vessel suffers from wounded Cha. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it.
Crystals, sir?
Crystals? Like those found in the desert? Beyond. Oh.
Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
10 crystals. Okay. I believe there's like a lot more than 10. I'm pretty sure. If I remember correctly, if you get all of them, you get some kind of special deal, like a platinum bowl or something or whatnot. Let's go. Alright. This could take some time in the video, so if it starts getting a little time consuming, then I will skip. We got one. Get out of here. Two. Oh, get back. Alright. Yeah, maximum nanotech up. There's number 3. Alright, we're up to 4. 4 bubbles. There, here's number 4. Oh boy, this is a daggone wasp hive over here. Holy shit! Jesus! Goddamn Marlboro back up in here. What the fuck? Alright. We're good. We didn't die. We got 6 crystals. We gotta get 4 more. Here's number 7 right over here. Whoa. Get out of here. And this is why I like the Blitz Cannon the best. Get out of here. Oh my god, there's another one. Get down. Oh. Crystal number 9. You actually get, oh cool, you get crystals from killing the big dudes. Here's number 10. Have fun. Knock them out. Let me get this first. Yeah, 10. Get out of here. 11. Alright, I'm gonna cut back to the city, guys. I'm actually gonna go and collect all the rest of them. See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. I was only going to get 28. I kind of ran out of ammo. So.
Yes, the crystals are spiking to me with a single voice. Oh, oh, oh.
That was pretty impressive.
Bring me more crystals, and I'll pay you cold hard bolts.
Huh?
Oh.
You can earn vast amounts of bolts by exploring the desert and...
Yes, sir. Still 72 crystals remaining. Shit. Got a long way to go. I'll come back and do that, but you won't see any of it. Alright, off to the testing facility. Let's go.
Hey, see if you can find anything worth watching.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. In yet another setback for the embattled Captain Quark, the Galactic Court ordered him to pay 6 billion bolts in damages to citizens suffering from personal hygienator syndrome. Only 2 days later, Quark was arrested trying to flee to Poketaru. The one-time hero, now full-time Zero, was placed in custody awaiting trial. But the next day it was discovered that he had escaped, flushing himself to freedom. We will return to Behind the Hero after these messages.
What a nut! I almost miss that guy sometimes. Almost.
Oh, you know you don't miss Quark. Actually, I kind of do. He's really funny. Planet Dabo. Okay, if I remember correctly, this is where I can get my first armor upgrade. Yeah, right over there. Bolts galore. A lot of destructible stuff here. Just got enough. Nice, because we need to get that. Tetrafiber armor. Tetrafiber armor. Yes. Alright. Hate to stop it before we get to the planet. I'll be right back, guys. We'll be back in the next episode with the next stuff and all the new fun stuff. But I'm tired. I need to go to bed. Been recording for about 6 hours, so cut it off here. Take care. Take it easy. Bye.